guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is quite exciting for many reasons, but one, I've never used MelodySusie products, and I know it's like a very popular brand, but I've never actually used them, so that's exciting. But two, I received the limited edition Fleurwee, I think it's called, gel nail polish set, and it's limited edition, so get it while it's hot and out. But so can we take a look at this box? And you guys know blue is like my most hated color, and even I am just in awe of this box. It's very well structured. It's a strong box. I'm definitely going to be keeping and reusing it. This also is perfect for like a gift. I mean, save it for Christmas, birthday, something. Someone who's like loves nails or is just starting. I mean, you get brushes, you get a dotting tool, you get stickers, you get the colors. I mean, it's just perfect. In fact, I think it's the Urban Chic. You get like your basic colors. I think you get red, pink, white, and black. I mean, they're perfect for colors that, you know, is a staple in everyone's like nail polish collection. So yes, highly recommend getting this as a gift. So upon opening this, you instantly get a whiff of scent. And that's me. I was like, whoa, the smell. Like it doesn't hit you, but it hits you. But that's the thing, you guys. This is actually a plant-based gel polish. They actually extract soybean oil base from plants as one of the ingredients. So each of these nail polishes has a nail, like a flower scent. And if you go online, you can actually see they get their names from a flower or something from nature. And each of these polishes has a scent. So here you get, it's telling you what you get. And the details are just, I mean, this is like a true unboxing. It's almost like not I'm trying to think, what is that? An advent calendar type thing. This is almost like what I felt like, or like just like a treasure thing. Like I'm unboxing each thing. So here is, and they were in there, like these aren't moving. So presentation is on point. You know, like sometimes you can get nail polishes, they're all like wonky, rolled around, or, you know, these are like not moving. I was a little bit struggling to get these out, but again, you know, they're secure. So I'm taking them out, and I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, I thought there was only one color set in here in the limited edition, but there's 3. So look at this bottle. It's gorgeous all the way around. This print is beautiful, but I thought I was getting black, white, pink, and yellow, which is the Urban Chic collection. And then I pick out this blue. And again, y'all know blue, it haunts me. But I see blue and I'm like, oh my goodness, what is this? But they have 3 different limited edition sets. So there is Summer Escape, which is what I have here. There's Urban Chic, and then there's Serenity Bloom. So there's 3 options that you guys can choose from. Go online. Online is just beautiful. You get to see the nail colors and where they come from, like the plant flower it comes from. So highly recommend just checking it out online. Like I said, it's just gorgeously set up. So as you guys saw, that one bottle that has obviously no nail polish in it, that is the vase for these dried flowers here. I thought that's a cute little touch. I mean, we all have our little nail nook area, and I feel like we can never have too much nail decor, or just like, you know, just having things around that's nail related. You get 2 sets of stickers. So this is what came with mine. I know that every set is kind of different. I don't know if it goes off of what kind of set that you get, but these are the 2 that I received. And so now I'm opening the dried flower, which this is what smells. It does smell good, you guys. I think there's different like little dried bouquets, but look at how cute. And you can like kind of fluff them out. I was like so delicate, like touching it. I was like, oh my gosh, I don't want it to fall apart. No, you can fluff these up a little. And I just think these are so beautiful. And then sticking it in the vase is just so cute. So cute. This is totally going on my desk. I love it. So now moving on to the brush set. Look at this packaging. Is it not beautiful? I mean, you guys, if you really want to get creative or just cheap, give this away in a birthday gift or Christmas gift, you know? Like, keep what you want, keep the polishes. Give the stickers and this in a gift for someone. I mean, how cute. Although the back might say what all this whole set includes. Watch it have like all the directions, so like to the nail polishes and everything, and then whoever you give it to is like, where's the rest of my gift? No, but who really reads anyway? So they're not reading the back of brushes, right? But the point of this is the packaging is cute. Every single aspect of this set is cute and well packaged. So in this set, you get all the brushes, you get the angled and the detailer, you get dotting tools on the bottom of 2 of the brushes. You know, they're all beautifully colored and, again, well packaged. So now the stars of the show, the polishes. Now these are 3 free, 21 non-toxic. So there's 21 kinds of toxic substances out of this polish. The 3 free HEMA, HPMA, and TPO free, which HEMA and HPMA are number 1 and 2 for the top most common allergies that people get, like when you have an allergic reaction. 9 times out of 10, it's one of those 2. So these polishes are free of that. These, again, are plant-based. And listen, don't think because they are plant-based that these aren't quality. These are some quality. They even surprised me. I mean, we're talking 1 coat kind of quality, okay? As you can see, these are so beautiful. They self-level. The other 3 that I just swatched are solids. This one I try to get up close, but you can see hopefully that there is some sparkle, like very subtle. This yellow I'm just obsessed with. Yellow is my favorite color, and I love this. This is like the prettiest yellow. Love it. And here I am checking out to see if there's a tacky layer, and there is no tacky layer for anyone who cares. I mean, I think we all kind of use top coat, but I also want to note that yes, there are scents to this. You're not going to smell like that chemical of any sort, but these are not strong. You'd have to put it up to your nose. It's not, you know, having a whole room, you know, it's not like potpourri or anything like that. So anyone who might have a sensitivity to scents, this is not going to bother you. Also, I believe this collection doesn't come out till, I think, June 16th or 17th. But they have everything on their website. I do have a coupon code. It is Jenna12 for 12% off your order on the MelodySusie website. Again, go check them out. Everything is so well organized there. You can see everything for yourself. Thank you so much to MelodySusie to sending this over. It's beautiful. The packaging is gorgeous. The quality is on point. Like I said, there's 3 different nail sets: Urban Chic, Serenity, Bloom, and I have the Summer Escape. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you have a great rest of your week. And I will leave everything in the description. I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.